Hi ladies, what are we doing tonight?
We are making possum stew.
Ooh, at McCrae Farm on cooking night.
Yes.
And who's with you?
This is my mom, Mary Jo.
I'm the sous chef.
Wow.
Yes.
So do we call you Sue tonight or just Mary Jo?
Mary Jo.
Anything you want to.
This is going to be fun, so we're very excited to have you doing our cooking class tonight. Yay!
Yay! Okay, so the story of possum stew goes with my mom's dad, which is my grandpa. So we were young and little kids, and my grandpa was catching possums left and right in Arlington Heights, and he would get them in a garbage can, and we're like, oh, Grandpa's catching possums in the backyard. And we were introduced to possum stew. We were introduced to beef stroganoff, and we asked Grandpa, what'd you do with the possums? And my grandpa goes, I put them in the stew. And we were like little kids, and we're like, oh. So ever since then, beef stroganoff is possum stew. Now if you're a redneck, you want to use a little bit of possum, that's fine. We have a couple of different options. Usually we've updated to beef stir fry, but if you can always get creamed possum.
Oh,
You did have creamed possum. That also works very well. You can pass that around.
It's better to be fresh, though,
but it's better to be fresh as much as you can. And she's got a little fresh one in there for you. Okay, come. Get it back in there, Mom. Put it in the bag. Get it in there. Get it in there. Okay, that's why we stopped using live ones and we just let them out into the park and let them be free. So this is why we use stir-fry meat from the store now. All right.
And what are you wearing on your head?
We just have wonderful little chef hats and little nutty squirrels on our hats. Just for the fun of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yay.
Because we're both a little squirrely.
Yes.
Yeah.
As you can